So hi guys, this is your first PHP tutorial lesson, and in today's tutorial we are just going to write your first script which we can only echo hello world. So before this tutorial, I would like to recommend you a few software that you can use for your lesson. So maybe like in localhost, right, you can just use XAMPP, which is a localhost server, and you can download it and install into your PC. But in this tutorial, I would not to show you how to set up XAMPP. Maybe if you would like me to show you how to set up, you can just comment down below, then I will make the tutorial, or maybe when I'm free, I'll make the tutorial for you. So another thing which is the brackets that I like to use, it's write your PHP script or maybe your HTML, your CSS or your JavaScript, then when you dump all your script, all your files into the servers. So which means that when you make changes, right, you only use brackets, or maybe you can use Notepad++. But the thing I like in brackets, which is they have a live preview, okay, which you can when you make changes on your script, right, you can straight away see the preview changes which connected to your servers, and you don't need to go refresh your browser, then only you can see your changes. Okay, so this is what I always use, or maybe right now I'm using a cloud hosting, which hosted by Hostinger, is quite cheap, and it's actually provide to all the developers that they make their own projects, and it's only like around 80 cents US per month, maybe, when you have when you get an offer. So okay, so basically right now we'll be starting our first script, right? Okay, I already created our index.php right here, so I will just open it. Okay, so you open your you create your index.php, then we'll write our first echo hello world. So first off, we'll create the open tag PHP. Okay, open tag, I will write a command line for you right here. So then we'll close the tag. Okay, close the tag. Okay, right, I'm not just delete this comment because it is not PHP anymore, because I already closed the tag. Okay, so inside the PHP tag, we'll be writing the echo your hello world. Okay, then semicolon, then we close the echo. Okay, we save it. Okay, right now we refresh, then we have our first script called hello world. And however, you can access to my URL, which means all these lessons I'll be putting URL for you to see the whole lesson, what the result, what you will get, or maybe I will just put the file into Google Drive, then you can download it, the whole PHP code. Right, I would like to promote my Patreon page, which you can actually get my project, all my latest project. I will throw all my latest projects to Patreon page, and which means that you can access to all my projects, and you can download it and you can use it anywhere you want. So each time when I finish my project, I will just throw it in the Patreon page. So it's just $5 per USD per month, and for me to work on every month, okay, to get motivated me or something like this, to motivate me to work on much harder and create more project for you guys. So thank you guys, that's all for today's lessons, and don't forget to subscribe once again. Bye bye.